going on, everyone? Welcome. Rabid here, coming at you from my bathroom again. So I want to show you what not to do if you guys get a KA box. So as you can see, this is a fan. I took this and I put it in the back here because we did see this was running in the 80 degrees here, high 70s, low 80s on the chip temps. And we're all thinking, okay, this is too hot. But if you remember back to the KS0 Pros and a lot of the Ice River Kaspa miners, they actually have optimal hash rates at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, depending on the model and Silicon Lottery and all that other stuff. Keep in mind. Now this, I put the fan on, I woke up today and my hash rate dropped. So as you can see here, in the last 30 minutes there to 3 hours, I was between 7 to 750 gigahash about. It hasn't been a full 24 hours yet. I've only had the fan on for about 14 hours, but I noticed a huge drop since I put that fan on. Looking at my temperatures, we're at about 55.8 Cs, and even in the dashboard is saying only 778 gigahash. Now, as soon as I took that fan off, we can see in the dashboard here, we're back to our 80.8 degrees Celsius, and we've seen a massive hash rate boost just shoot right back up again. Now, on the power side of things, the power did drop to about 350 watts, but at 700 gigahash, we did lose quite a bit of efficiency because we lost too much hash for the amount of power that we did drop. So I would recommend that. It does look like Goldshell does know what they're doing, and it's already set to run at the optimal temps to give this miner the best efficiencies and best hash rates. So keep that in mind, guys. I do not recommend anyone to put a fan on these. You will ruin your miner. I don't know if it's going to ruin your miner, guys, but you're going to lose efficiencies. It's going to run worse is pretty much what I'm trying to say. And I do apologize for the lack of videos over the past couple days. I haven't been feeling well. I did almost have to go to the hospital the other day, so I've been taking it pretty easy. But I did notice this. I wanted to record something very fast for you guys, so thank you for checking this out. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out.